We all know construction can be slow, expensive, and exhausting, especially with traditional materials like CHB. But what if there's a faster, stronger, and smarter way to build?
That's exactly why we developed Mega 6, a high-performance autoclave lightweight concrete panel designed to make construction easier, faster, and more cost-efficient.
Welcome back, everyone. Hello, I am Engineer Jane and I am your host for today. And beside me is our on-site engineer.
Hi everyone, I am Engineer Casey.
So, engineer, let's go back to our main question. What makes Mega 6 panels different from traditional methods like CHB?
Great question, Miss Jane. So, Mega 6 is basically a 3 meters long, 0.6 meters wide, and a 0.15 meters thick panel, which replaces multiple number of CHBs in one go. So this means fewer inventory, less labor, and of course, faster installation.
And unlike concrete hollow blocks, which needs mortar, rebar, and constant patching up, Mega 6 is engineered to be seamless, crack-resistant, and ultra-durable.
But how strong is it? Some people might think that lightweight means weak.
That's the most common misconception, Miss Jane. Mega 6 is lightweight, but it is incredibly strong because it undergone the process called autoclaving. That's why it is fire-resistant, water-resistant, and has high compressive strength. Unlike the other CHBs, which absorbs water and cracks over time, Mega 6 remains sturdy and reliable for years.
Now, I heard that Mega 6 panels comes with special connectors. Can you tell me more about them?
Absolutely, Miss Jane. To make installation even smoother, we have what we call the pipe connector and L connector. So a pipe connector, it creates a solid interlocked fit between Mega 6 panel for extra stability. And an L connector, it strengthens the joints and corner, preventing weak spots in the structure. So with this, builder saves time, reduce human error, and ensure a flawless final finish.
Alright, engineer, let's talk about numbers. Just how much time and money can Mega 6 actually save?
So with Mega 6, Miss Jane, you can cut construction time by up to 50%. Because first, fewer panels cover more space. Second, no excessive mortar, rebar, or additional finishing. And most importantly, faster installation with our connectors. And since labor and material costs are lower, contractors can maximize their budget and complete projects faster.
So Casey, if someone wants to upgrade their construction using Mega 6 panels, what's the next step?
It's so simple, Miss Jane. Download our brochure, schedule a consultation, and let's build stronger, smarter, and faster together with Mega 6.
Click the link down below to learn more, and let's start building better today.
We are from Luftcrete, Philippines, and we can't wait to build with you.
Stronger, lighter, faster build. The Philippines' #1 choice for autoclaved concrete wall panels. Luftcrete.